Help me!
No, we're gonna leave you there.
No.
Let the bears eat you. Play with fire, you're gonna get burnt. That's right.
Guys, help me!
Try to get out.
I can't.
Maybe if you go forward. Maybe if you try to go forward, Morgan.
It won't work.
No? Why don't you try?
Here we go. He'll have left one buried in there. More careful, Morgan. Don't twist your legs so far, buddy.
Guys, help me! Guys, help me! My shoes! Oh no, their shoes sticking too. Oh, my shoe! Mommy, help me!
Now you're in there for good. That's it. Well, we better go home now, guys. Yeah.
Help!
We'll come back and get you next week.
Mommy!
Don't let go.
You want us to bring you back some food?
Here, why don't you ask Uncle John for his hand? Maybe he can pull you out.
Here, grab a hold of me. Grab a hold of me. Ready? Hold on tight.
Oh, you're sliding. Come on. Grab a hold of me. Grab a hold of me.
Hold on. Grab Uncle John's pocket.
Yeah, grab my pocket.
Yeah, right there. There's a good spot. Hold on to that nice and tight.
Okay, pull yourself.
Okay.
Ready? No, that's not going to work, buddy.
I'll pull my pants off.
He's in there.
There.
Oh, yeah, right back in there. Yeah.
I was in there. I thought I was going to rip the tongue off.
Yeah, I mentioned it was.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Now he's brave.
Just need a downhill mud puddle. Here we go.
Yeah.
I'm totally waiting for the face plant. He's gonna fall. Here we go. Oh.
You wait till he does go face down in that mud. He's not going to be happy.
Hey, I'm not stuck.
Good. Try to run out.
Harry got out. Oh, I got it. What? Get over here.
His shoes probably weigh 30 pounds.
No, no.
I know these are bad because of where the threads are.
Just from being in front of him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
no, my feet stuck
Peanut butter mud.
Oh, they're stuck again.
That's it. Nope. Uncle John pulled you out once.
Yeah.
Not going to pull you out again.
Next time I got a charge.
Yeah. I have to hook a toe strap on you, pull you out the Ranger.
Help me, guys. I got out.
What happened to your leg?
It got muddy.
Did it?
No,
How did it get so muddy?
it's stuck again.
Uh-oh.
But it's not stuck again.
No?
Oh, it's really mud. Oh no. Oh, it's muddy. No.
See if you can stand between the big weeds over there.
Yeah. Oh no, help me. Please help me. Hey guys, you see something?
It's going in now. The mud's going in.
Oh,
Oh, almost. You almost fell.
oh my shoe.
Try walking this way, Morgan.
I'm still stuck, I think. No, I don't have boots on me.
No.
No.
Feet are clean, all right?
Okay.
This thing too fast.
Okay.